Hello, children. I once again welcome you back to your EVS class. Children, we were going through chapter 5 Fun and Games. We have done exercises in the book and copy. Hope you might have written. Today we will discuss exercise C, which is in page number 28 of your EVS book. Look at the following pictures and identify them as indoor or outdoor games. Write I for indoor and O for outdoor games in the boxes. So here children, you can see some pictures where some children they are playing some sort of games, okay? And after seeing, you have to identify whether these games are indoor games or outdoor games. If they are indoor games, you have to write I for indoor, and if they are played outside in the field, you have to write O for outdoor games. Okay, let's start. In the first picture, you can see a boy playing cricket. Cricket can be played inside the house or outside. Yes, it can be played in the field. So we will write O. Now number 2, you can see a boy playing carom. So it is an indoor or outdoor game. Yes, children, we can play a carom inside the room. So it is an indoor game. We will write I. Now number 3, you can see a boy riding a bicycle. So can you ride a bicycle inside your house? No. For some time you can just move here and there, but in a free movement you can do it in the field or park or somewhere in an open area. So we will write O. Okay, it's an outdoor game. Now number 5, a girl swinging. Okay, this also you can go through in the park and all, so it's also outdoor. Now in the next one, you can see the boy and the girl, they're playing on the seesaw. So it is also a game which you can find in the park. So it's also a part of outdoor games. Okay, now in the next one, you can see children playing Ludo, and Ludo is an indoor game. We can play inside our house. So we will write I. Now let's move to our next part. Let's have fun. On a chart paper, make a list of things you do the whole day. Start with getting up in the morning and end with going to bed at night. Draw a star beside your favorite activity. How many fun activities do you do every day? So here children, you can make this in your rough copy also. It's not necessary to do it in your fair copy. You have to write all the activities which you go through in a day, like you wake up in the morning, you brush your teeth, you go to the washroom, you take a bath, you do prayers, then you have your breakfast, then you have your classes, then you play with your family members or friend, you go out with someone, or you play some sort of game, you watch television, you do some household work at home with helping your parents, or if your grandparents are there, they are playing with you or helping you in some sort of work. You have to write all the activities which you go through in a day, like evening time you're playing, you're having some snacks or any of your favorite food item. So you have to include everything, and you have to put a star beside the activity which you like the most, okay, which you enjoy doing, and that is your fun activity. After that, you can count how many fun activities you used to do every day. Okay, children, so this work is for fun, just for fun. Now let's move to page number 27. Let's do it. Okay children, this part you have to do in your EVS copy, in the white page of your EVS copy where the chapter is going on. Let's read what we have to do. Draw or paste pictures of your favorite outdoor and indoor games in your scrapbook. So children, it is written over here scrapbook, but you have to do this work in your EVS copy. You don't have to do the work in the scrapbook. What you have to do, you have to draw or paste pictures of your favorite outdoor and indoor games. You have to paste two pictures of both outdoor and indoor games. Okay, you have to do this work in your EVS copy only. In one white page, you will paste two pictures. It means two outdoor games you will paste in one page. Half page you will use for one picture and rest half page you will use for the next picture. Okay, and then again in your next white page you will paste two indoor games. You can also draw, children, it's up to you. Okay, so here in this page you have to draw or paste two indoor games. You have to use half page for one picture and half page for the next one. Now the second one, let's see what it is. Collect pictures of famous sports persons and make a collage in your scrapbook. Again, not in your scrapbook, in your EVS copy. Okay, so you have to collect pictures of some famous sports person and then you have to make a collage. I'm showing you some pictures of collage which are made up of fruits or animals or vegetables. Have a look. You have to collect the pictures and you have to paste. Here, children, you have to paste pictures of sports persons. Now, who are sports persons? Those who play sports. Okay, sports like cricket, football, badminton, other different games. So you may paste pictures of Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli, Sania Mirza, Sania Nehwal. Then you can even paste Mary Kom or PV Sindhu, Leander Pace. Different sport persons are there. So you can collect pictures and you can paste them, arranging them properly. Okay, and you have to take minimum 5 to 6 sports persons picture. Okay, children, this way you will complete this activity. This work you will do in your EVS copy only. Okay, children, so this is your activity work which you have to do from this chapter. Do it in your EVS copy. Make it nice, decorate it as you can so that it may look more and more attractive. So children, this much for today. Next day we will start our new chapter. Till then, take care. Thank you.